Hapon po sa inyo, Tita Au, Makabita. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, once again, palapakan po natin, Batang Kapitenyo Band. At susundan naman po yan ang Black Nazarene Band 4.
Banda 4. This band was founded in Manalo on June 24, 2012.